That was a big success. What should you do next?
I'll continue cooperating with the teachers to work with the children. Next, I've got to think of how to reach the adults. I have to think up a program that offers a way of life for the adults so they don't have to cut down too many trees. I know. I think I'll make the theme for it Gifts of the Forest. To get the villagers to understand the good things that the forest provides, I'll look for an activity that involves making something from the trees or fruits of the forest. I'll also talk with people at the Forest Bureau about sustainable forestry practices and ways to restore the forest.
Meg, that sounds pretty good. If you keep evaluating the results and improving your work, then the program will get better and better. As a result, the villagers' behavior will change, and nature will recover little by little. Over time, the villagers changed the way they viewed the forest, so that they no longer simply chopped down trees. Instead, they came to plant and grow them, with some people using the trees and their fruits to make accessories and jam to sell.